Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name's Lauren and this week I'm going to be creating a tulle skirt. I had a few meters of fine netted fabric that I managed to get from the children's scrap store in Bristol, and I've been waiting a while to use it, so I figured this would be the perfect project. Let's get to it. I started by unravelling the mess of material that I had, and then created squares with the fabric and folded them in half and half again, and used the circle skirt method to create layers. I'll put a link somewhere for my circle skirt tutorial that I've got, and that goes into a lot more depth of how to create a circle skirt. I used the radius of my waist measurement to create the waist circle, and then from the shortest edge of the folded fabric I worked out the length that my skirt was able to be. I ended up having 9 layers, which was probably too many as it turned out pretty puffy, but I think it looked cute anyhow. I clipped all the layers together from the middle and did a single stitch just to hold them all in place. Using the same circle skirt method, I created a light lining circle skirt that would be able to go underneath the layers of netting using a viscose material. I created an elastic waistband by using a strip of elastic that fitted well around my waist, and then sewed the two ends together. I did this because the circles that I'd actually created as my waist measurement were slightly bigger as the netting had stretched, and this way I was able to have it fitted once it was around my waist. I then lined up the layers of netting and the lining material so the waist hole would match up, and then used clips to attach the elastic evenly around the hole. I pinned the elastic so it was on the wrong sides of the lining and tulle fabric, and then sewed and stretched all the way around. Then, to seal the raw edges, I folded the elastic over so the right side was facing out and the raw edges were folded underneath, then stretched and sewed along the bottom, securing everything underneath and holding the elastic in place. my lining turned out slightly too long, so I overlocked the edge to make it slightly shorter, and so it was hidden by the layers of tulle fabric, and I just left the overlocked edges rather than hemming it any further since it wasn't going to be seen. This is probably a little more extra than your everyday skirt and would be better suited to special occasions, an evening or night out. I ended up adding cream ribbon with silver trim as I didn't like the look of my last elastic, and then paired it with a grey bodysuit and sparkly silver heels to complement the silver in the ribbon. Thank you for watching. Remember to like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe using the icon at the end screen. Bye!